You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce the name of this monument in Paris. If you want to learn more French and more names of famous places that you're going to be visiting in Paris, make sure to stay tuned to the channel. We've got loads to learn here. Basilique, which is French for basilica, du Sacré-Cœur, Sacré-Cœur, the Sacred Heart, Sacré-Cœur de Montmartre, Montmartre. So if you cannot pronounce French perfectly, I mean, if you can, you say Basilique du Sacré-Cœur de Montmartre. That's your French pronunciation here. But in English, if you cannot pronounce French perfectly, Basilique du Sacré-Cœur, Basilique du Sacré-Cœur de Montmartre. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.